Diana. Thank you for being here with today with our little angel Benny and our beautiful Chinoy. And on the hall of this channel, the another hall is my daughter Daniela. We had a very special project today, very wonderful, and that project is for dogs. Hey! Okay, what we had today? We had a project called the Potty Bell Training. It's a project can helping us when we planning to have a dog, or we had a dog and we want to training him or her to go outside of the house to make her business or his business. Okay, let's start. This is a part of the materials we will use it. We have here a fabric. We had an interfacing. We had some bells. It's a cute. We had another string bell, gold. We had a silver color as well. We have some key rings. We will use it 3. We had a marker, fabric marker, a pencil, white color for the fabric. We have some clips, scissors for fabric, scissors for the interfacing, tools for the snaps, and it's something maybe we use it today again. And we have this one is an alternative to cut the fabric. At the ruler, this one is used for it's clear, it's great. It had the iron that's usually we need it to finalize the job, and I think so is all we need. Okay, for this project we will use it this fabric, and the measurements will be we have almost 22 inch in this side, and we had 22 in the another. That's mean 44 inch, and that one will be by 1, 2, and 3 inch. Okay, now we have one piece of the fabric, and after we're going to add the interfacing, and we will use it as a reference, this piece, to cut the same size, to try to no waste to match interfacing. This is the way you can use it. And I will use it, the paper scissors. Okay, now we have the interfacing, we have the fabric, and the next step is iron the interfacing with the fabric. And always for the interfacing, they have 2 sides. One, in some case there are more shine, or can have a different design in one of the sides. That one is what had to go against to the fabric. And how you see it, now they are attached to the fabric. Now we had this piece, how say have 44 inch, 44 and 3. Now we had to fold it here. We can try with the iron, see, and just you can just see, it can be more easy when we sewing, because we know where exactly is the half of the fabric. And we will going to sewing in the edge. If you want, it's not necessary You can just use the iron one more time just to mark it where you want to sew in. And after we will sew in for both sides. Now we had to make a little loop in one of the ends because we will place the bells right here. I will use this little clips because we had to sew in here, and after we will place the little ring there. After we had the in the ends, we can do 7 inch and made another loop and we will sew in right there. We can use it our pen, marker pen, or something. We can just mark it where we're going to sew in. That one is the second one, and we had a third one, 6.5, and we can make the same 6.5, a little less than 6.5, and we just made another loop here. We keep with the clip, and same we can marker where we will sew in, and in the another end we had two options. Regular, usually if it's for the traditional doorknob, 9-inch can be enough. That means if you know you will use it in that door, what you can do is another loop and just sew in right here and try to pass couple times to ensure the stitches will keep in there. And we will have the potty bell. But if you want to be able to use it maybe in another different door, or you are unsure the length you want to use it, we can try it with the little snaps. We can put one snap here and maybe one with 2-3 inch difference. That means I like this one because you can open it and you can go through any design holes you had at home. If you had just this one sewing, you only can put it in this way. Is the reason I will like to try to put the little snaps here. But first I'm going to sew in this one, and after that we can start see how it look. Take the pins, now we know where there are marked, and we take our ring bells. Here the first pin. We need to be careful we not sewing the ring. That's the reason we fold there little longer we had enough space to working with the machine. And I will put the snaps. Okay. And this is our Potty bell training, special for dogs. We had 3 loops, and we had here you can adjust to the door you want to use it. Uh, we appreciate you spend this time with us. We hope you enjoy, and please, if you can, please subscribe, give like, and share with family and friends. Can be a great help for us. We see you next week for more projects for pet lovers, dogs and cats. Blessings, and we see you soon. Thank you.